Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before we begin today's story, I would like to take a moment to express my gratitude. Thank you for being here. Thank you for spending a few minutes of your day with me. Your support, your time, and your presence means a lot. I hope today's story gives you a meaningful lesson and a fresh perspective on life. Now let's begin. The Stonecutter's Dreams. Once upon a time, there was a stonecutter who worked at the foot of a mountain. Every day he woke up early in the morning, spent long hours cutting stones under the hot sun. His work was difficult and exhausting, yet, despite all his hard work, he earned very little money. Often he looked at the wealthy people in the town and thought, why is my life so hard? Why can't I be rich and powerful like them? One day, while delivering stones to a rich merchant's house, he was amazed by the merchant's luxurious lifestyle. The merchant lived in a grand house, wore expensive clothes, and had servants attending to him. The stonecutter sighed and said, I wish I could be as rich as that merchant. To his surprise, his wish was granted. Suddenly he became a wealthy merchant. Okay, at first he was delighted. He enjoyed his beautiful house, fine food, and comfortable life. He believed he had finally found happiness. But after some time, he noticed that whenever the king passed through the town, everyone bowed before him with the great respect. The merchant thought the king is more powerful than I am. I wish I could be a king. And instantly his wish came true. And now he was a king. People followed his orders, soldiers protected him, crowds cheered when he appeared in public. He felt proud and powerful. One summer afternoon, while traveling through his kingdom, he felt the scorching heat of the sun. The heat was so intense that even the king could not escape it. He thought, the sun is more powerful than a king. I wish I could be the sun. Immediately he became the sun. Now he shined brightly across the world. He warmed the oceans, the forests, the mountains, and the cities. He felt stronger than ever before. But one day a huge dark cloud drifted across the sky and blocked his rays. No matter how brightly he shined, the cloud covered his light. The sun became frustrated. The cloud is more powerful than I am. He thought, I wish I could be a cloud. At once he became a cloud. As a cloud, he floated freely through the sky. He covered the sun and brought rain to the earth. He felt powerful and important. But while moving across the land, he came upon a massive mountain. The mountain stood firm and unmoving. No matter how much rain the cloud poured, the mountain remained strong. The cloud thought that mountain is more powerful than I am. I wish I could be a mountain. And so he became a mountain. Now he felt invincible. Storms came and went. Winds blew against him. Rain fell upon him. Yet he remained strong and steady. He believed he had finally become the most powerful thing in the world. Then one day he heard a strange sound, tap, tap, tap. The sound continued day after day. To his surprise, he saw a small stone cutter chipping away at the side of the mountain. Piece by piece, the stone cutter was cutting into the rock. The mountain realized something shocking. The person standing before him was a simple stone cutter, the very thing he had been at the beginning. At that moment, he understood an important truth. All his life, he had wished to become someone else. He had believed that happiness was always somewhere else. He thought wealth would make him happy. He thought power would make him happy. Then he thought becoming stronger than everyone else would make him happy. But no matter what he became, he always found something more powerful and something else to desire. For the first time, he saw the value of what he had been from the very beginning. He realized that he had spent his life chasing what others had instead of appreciating his own strength. The stonecutter finally understood that true happiness doesn't come from becoming someone else. True happiness comes from accepting yourself, appreciating your own worth, and being grateful for what you already have. And from that day forward, he stopped wishing to be someone else. He found peace within himself, and that peace was worth more than all the power in the world. Moral story: comparison steals joy. When we constantly compare ourselves to others, we forget our own value, my dear. True happiness begins when we appreciate who we are, recognize our strengths, and feel grateful for the life we have. Thank you so much for listening to this story until the end. I truly appreciate your time, your support, and your presence here today. If you enjoyed this story, take a moment to reflect on its message and think about the blessing already present in your life. Remember, happiness is not about becoming someone else, my dear. It is about becoming the best version of yourself. Thank you once again for being here. Take care, stay positive, keep learning, and keep growing. Have a wonderful day. And I will see you in the next video.